So this is the question given on orthographic projections. We have to draw the front view, top view and the side view of the given object. As you can see in the question, for this object you will have left hand side view to be drawn, and as for the first angle projection method, left hand side view is always drawn on the right side of the front view. So here, before drawing the horizontal and vertical line, you have to make sure you have sufficient space here to take the length of front view and the height of front view. After drawing this horizontal line, you should have sufficient space to draw the width in top view here, and after drawing the vertical line, you should have sufficient space for the width and the height will be carried along. So in order to understand this question better, the length is not completely given directly, but you can calculate it from the left center line to the right corner. It is 130 plus 40 mm is the outer radius, so it becomes 170 mm. That is the complete length of the given question. The height is 100 mm, whereas the width is 80 mm because of the radius 40 mm. So starting with the solution here, you have to keep at least 12 centimeter, that is 120 mm, and draw the horizontal line here. Once you have drawn the horizontal line, at least 190 mm should be left on the left hand side in order to draw the front view here. Then drawing the vertical line. So I have drawn these lines. Here you'll have the front view, here top view, and here left hand side view as per the first angle projection method. Now take a common distance from this intersection point on each side, so your front view, top view and side view can easily be drawn. This distance can be 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, whatever you feel suitable, and can be adjusted on the given page. So these are the lines which we have drawn. Here you have to take 130 mm and locate the center line. After this you have to take 20 mm as the base plate thickness here, drawing it faint here. The total height of the component is 100 mm, so taking 100 mm here. Up to 100 mm we can make it dark. Then from there you have to move 80 mm in front, but it's not completely dark, so I'm drawing it faint here, and then it should be dropped here up to the 20 mm base plate, so this can be dark. Now as far as this portion is concerned, you have to take 24 mm, then you have to drop it by 20 mm as per the given slot here. Then you have to move 38 mm front, closing it on 20 mm here, and the remaining should be dark. Now the semicircular slot here is not having the center at the base, it is 20 mm above, so this is the 20 mm line, making it here the center line, and on this line at the center, that is at 40 mm, you have to draw the vertical center line. Now the radius is given as 24 mm here. We have this 24 mm already drawn, so I'm using this distance as my radius and drawing the semicircle. Then you have to drop it vertically down till the base plate, and then you can draw the remaining portion dark Now, here there is a rib given. As you can see, as per the given dimensions, the rib starts from the top. You have to leave a distance of 48 mm, marking the point. And from this corner, it is forward till 25 mm. So from this, you have taken 25 mm. This is the point. Now you just have to join these 2 points, forming the given rib in front view. As you can see, the point where the rib ends at the same location, there is a slot here. So it not seen in front view. So you will have to drawing here a dash line. Now for the time being, leave this portion here and let us move to our top view. So carrying the projectors down, this is the center line here. You have to take 40 mm distance in order to locate the center line here. So this is 40 mm. You have to take this distance in compass and complete the semicircle here, which will be visible in the top view. Now you can complete this side in order to find the outlines of our given top view. As you can see, at this location there is a circle which is having a diameter of 40 mm, which means the radius will be 20 mm. This was 20, which we have already taken. In order to save time, I'm using the same. Once you have drawn the circle, now we can complete this remaining front view by taking the projectors up. Now coming to this portion of top view, as you can see here and here, you will be having some portions as projection. Taking this projectors down, now from the center, the slot width is 40 mm, so 20 mm on each side you have to take. This should not be made dark, this should remain faint. Now coming to the rib is having a thickness of 10 mm here, so 5 mm on each side, and this is the end point of it. Now this semicircular slot will not be seen from top, so it should be dashed throughout. Now this completes your top view. Coming to the side view now. You can take an angle of 45 degrees here. Taking the height from the front view. So this is the box where you have to draw the side view. As you can see, this base plate will be having dark lines throughout the width, and this vertical lines will be dark till the So for this portion you have to take the projectors from here. These lines should be taken down dark up to the slot. So this is the dash line we are talking about. This is of the slot, so this should be dark here. Similarly, this should also be dark. You have to draw this line dark here and the top ends. Now this slot will not be seen from side, so it should be dashed. So this circle is having a diameter of 40 mm and the slot is also of 40 mm, so it falls on the same projector. Here you have to make this portion as dashed line. Now the rib remains, so you have to take projectors of rib here. So it should be starting from this point, ending on this point. So this portion should be dark, remaining should be faint. Now the slot, the semicircular slot will be taken from front view here and it is throughout, so you have to make it dash. This completes the solution. You have to now give the dimensions. Don't forget to give the dimensions as they are given in the question. So you have to show only dimensions which are mentioned in the question and do not repeat the dimensions. This is carried as it is, so don't show same 130 here. Similarly, the height is common here, so giving it only once. Distribute the dimensions. Some of them should be given on front view, some on top view, some on side view. So each and every dimension which was given to us, we have shown it, and this completes the solution.